USD was looking for buys. I had this alert right here. Now I might as well delete it actually. Oh well. All right. I had the alert down here. It was the 50% of the area. We didn't reach it. My alert didn't go off. Push to the upside, retest of the push, continuation. And as you can see, this could be considered a 1 hour Wyckoff, if you want to see it that way, where we are approaching the area and then we have the final and ultimate spring right here, push to the upside, test of the spring, continuation. I know some people that texted me, they were sending me some charts and they sent me a Fibonacci retracement from here and wanted to enter. I believe someone actually did enter. Let me see one sec. Okay, yes, from here spring, taking out these lows, which were also equal lows. And notice how almost, I would say 90% of the times, equal lows and equal highs are taken out, almost always. Push to the upside, breaking structure, fib retracement, entry. All right, if you don't want to use the fib retracement, fine. Demand, all right, entry, or you can use both, demand plus fib levels, entry. Okay, and I missed that entry. I was looking, you saw where I had sorry, you saw where I had my alert, therefore I was not able to catch the trade. Well, if you did enter this way, there was no stop loss hit. It depends how you entered. But I had my alert down here. I wanted to see the 50% of the order block being filled, and that didn't happen. So I didn't take the trade, but this was beautiful anyway, with a nice manipulation below the equal lows, nice break of structure up here, just a retracement. And this could have been, let me show you. No, the other way around. So down here we had the demand. Safe stop loss would have been below the demand and a possible take profit. Now you'll be almost 1 to 1.5, or at this point, after we're having a manipulation which is taking liquidity below the equal lows and we are retesting the demand, we could just go with 10 pips stop loss. It's not too little. This could have been already a 1 to 3.5. With this trade, it was just perfect. Confluence with this trade, equal highs up here, equal highs up here, trend line liquidity here. So I'm expecting, we already grabbed liquidity above the first equal highs. I'm expecting a push up at least to this level where we have a supply. Okay, because we need to take liquidity above these equal highs and also above the trend line, so that will be perfect. Anyway, from here right now, at least for now, I don't have an entry. Up on the other, I'm not looking for anything on Euro USD today. Like, at least for now. For now, I cannot enter. I can have my demand down here, and I can look for that demand to be reached and possibly enter trades from there. Be nice, it will be very nice to see something like this happening, also because we will feel the imbalance. So we have consolidation, imbalance. Right, so it will be perfect to see a big manipulation of this area, but I don't think we will see this big of a manipulation all the way down here. Anyway, if it happens, great. Big manipulation down here, feeling the imbalance, touching the demand for a continuation to the upside. This way, I will look for buys. Otherwise, no. I mean, at least for now. If something develops later and I see other types of confirmations as the price is moving, then of course I will look for buys at different areas and not down here. But this is what I'm waiting for now. All right, we have EuroCAD, which was looking pretty interesting. We have to say bullish, over a bullish, and waiting for this area to be met, right? This area to be met, and it is even better because we have imbalance above it. So I want to see the imbalance completely filled, going below the imbalance and touching the demand, and then I will look for buys on EuroCAD because the structure is 100% bullish. So we will wait for this. You have a supply and bearish trend, supply, entry on lower time frames. Looks great. Supply. It actually looks good, yeah. I might take this into consideration even if it wasn't on my watch list, actually. It's not bad. Right. Wyckoff up here. Push to the downside, changing structure. Retracement. The only problem is that here we're still in uptrend, but still, I mean, yeah. Also here, difference is that, okay, even better, here was a previous supply to possibly, you know, trap early sellers. I will take a look into this and I will consider a possible trade too on NZDJPY actually. Yeah. Let me go on the daily. All right, on the daily, it doesn't look great. After weakening this low, looks like it is grabbing liquidity and then big push to the upside, but let's look at the overall story that is going on right here. It's not bad. I will take a look into this and I will decide what I want to do with this pair. If I actually want to enter a trade, but I need to wait. I need to wait right now. Not confident enough to take this trade. All right, with that being said,